Hello everyone, welcome back to Ansarkari. In this video, we'll be continuing with the ratio questions, and today we'll be dealing with those two type of questions, which include uh, the amount of the money that we have, or perhaps the number of coins, the denominations, etc. So the questions will be related to that aspect. And let's start with the first question. So this question says a bag contains rupees 150 paise and 25 paise coins, and the ratio of number of coins, it is 5:7:9. So if the value of all coins is rupees 430, now here they're talking about the value, then find the number of 50 paise coins. So what we know is that if we multiply the value of these coins separately with the number of coins that we have, then we will get the total value, right? The value of these coins or the amount of the money that we have. Therefore, in these type of questions, we need to assume a variable that is x. So here what happens is a bag contains rupees 1. So here we can write maybe. See, the ratio here is that is given is this. So what we can do is the number of coins of rupee 1. Perhaps we can write at 100 paise for easier calculations. That will be equal to 100 multiplied by 5x. Because we have discussed this before that whenever ratio is given, we can write them as 5x, 7x and 9x. Because all that is important is they need to remain in ratio, and x will help us to find out the actual value of these numbers, because here this is the ratio that is given, right? 5:7:9. So 5x. Similarly, for 50 paise, it will be 50. That is the value of the value of the coin. And here will be the ratio of number of coins. The number of coins multiplied by value will give us the actual value or the amount that we're talking about. Then 25 paise coins will be equal to 25 multiplied by 9. Now what we know is that if we add all these, then we will get the actual amount, which will be equal to 430 rupees or 43,000 paise, right? So the final thing that they're asking is the number of 50 paise coins that we can find out if we know the value of x. That is a simple question. So finding out the actual values, here we get 500x plus 350x plus 9 multiplied by 25 gives us 225x. Right, so this will be the total value. So when we add these, we get here 5, and then we get here 7, and then we get here 1075x. Now this here is the actual amount, which is equal to 430 itself. But since we're talking about paise, so we'll write it in this form itself. So how we'll write is, we can write here x will be equal to 43,000 divided by 1075, which when we cancel, we get 40. So the value of x will be equal to 40. Now they are asking that the number of 50 paise coins. So 50 paise coins were, the ratio was for 7, right? So 7x will be the value of the 50 coins. Therefore, when you multiply 7 by the value of x, that is 40, we get here 280, which is the answer for this particular question. So 280 is the correct answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. So the next question says, a bag contains rupees 1, 50 paise and 25 paise coins, and the ratio of their value is 30:11:7. And the total number of coins are 480. find the number of rupee 50 coins. Now here the question differs because here the ratio is given of their values rather than the number of coins, etc., which makes it easier for us to calculate. क्योंकि value में there is difference, right? कितनी value होगी किस रुपये से. So when we write here rupee 1, or there is a method of doing it, and I write here 50 paise, and I write here 25 paise. Now here I write total value. So total value, what will be the total value here? Now since it is given here, it will be 30, ratio 11, ratio 7. Which means here we are talking about rupees. Now we'll imagine that the value is this itself and like not multiples etc. For now we are just taking it. Taki easily we can calculate. And the number of coins that are given to us, number of coins, that here will be equal to, again it will be equal to 30. Why? Because see the value, if it is 30 rupees, if we imagine it to be 30 rupees, then the number of coins also have to be 30 of rupee 1. क्योंकि अगर इतने पैसे होंगे, so we'll need 30 coins, right, to make 30 rupees from the rupee 1 coins. फिर अगर हमें 50 पैसों के coins से 11 rupees we need to make, then how many coins will we need? We will need 22 coins. Right, so this we are forming by our own selves while we compare this and this that is given to us. And when we have 25 paise coins और जो हमें amount दिया हुआ है कि values की इतनी है, तो we can understand कि जो number of coins होंगे that will be equal to if 7 itself is a rupee. So ये हम imagine कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे so that it becomes easier. Otherwise we don't exactly know ना ये कितनी value. The value is not exactly 30 rupees. It might even be different. So here we have okay, 7 from 25 paise coins, we need to make 7 rupees. So how many coins will we need? We will need so 4 से multiply करना होगा यहाँ पे, and so we'll need 28 such coins, right? To make 7, and यहाँ पे 22. Now total number of coins that we get here is equal to 80, but the actual number of coins are 480. तो हम 80 units 480 coins, तो हम यहाँ पे इसको कंपेयर करेंगे, तो 1 यूनिट की वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी? इट विल बी इक्वल टू 6 coins. तो यानी एक्चुअल में 1 rupee coins कितने हैं? लाइक इन एक्चुअल 1 rupee coins are 6 multiplied by 30. So it will be 180. Actual में 50 पैसे coins कितने हैं? 22 multiplied by 6, which will be equal to again 120 and then 12. So it will be 132. Further 25 पैसे के coins अगर हमें निकालने हैं, so 28 will have to multiply by 6. So again 120 plus 48. So it will be 168. So these will be the number of coins respectively. And अगर हम इनका sum करेंगे, तो we will be able to see that actually we are getting 480, right? So ये total number, ये exact number of coins होगा जो हमारे पास है. And now they're asking find the number of rupees 50 coins. So the answer here will be equal to 132. So this is the correct answer. Because see, one thing we need to remember is कि जो number of coins होंगे वो कितने होंगे? They will be equal to total value जो होगी upon में the value of one coin, right? This is the main case. So this was a pretty trick question just for this particular part क्योंकि यहाँ पे ratio value दे रखी है, तो इसे हमें ऐसे ही assume करना है कि ये exact amount ही ये है. Okay, it can be multiple etc. अगर हम actual में देखें तो, but here we are assuming from ratio कि this is the exact amount. So as to find out the number of coins का जो ratio है, एक बार अगर ये पता लग गया, because here the total number is given, right? So this is why we need to find out this particular part. फिर compare करके we can find out the actual value. So these are the two questions for today. I hope everyone understood. Thank you for watching.